point of my presentence. Implementing a policy is an important step in the public policy process. It is order for a policy to have impact and achieve the desired goal. In a broad sense, policy implementation is seen as public administration tool involving actors, organized, producers, technique, and resources are organized to carry out policy and achieve the desired impact or goal. The success of public policy implementation can be affected by many factors, both internal and external. Internal factors are typically related to policy formulation, the clarity of objective, the infallibility of resource, and the capacity and community of the responsible for implementation. Examples of external factors include political support, community participation, sociality stability, and local economic and cultural coordination. On the whole, the implementation of public policy in Indonesia has been successful, particularly for programs that involve local stakeholders. And the sure resource availability they are tailored to the region's context. Written they rely solely on the top-down interactions. Effective public policy implementation relies more than just policy design. It relies careful planning, consistent monitoring, and active community involvement. Good planning ensures that policy align with the local needs and facilitates implementation. Monitoring allows for the evaluation and correction of obstacles to errors. Community involvement fosters a sense of ownership of policy and stakeholders support the implementation process. This chart demonstrates that effective public policy implementation, careful planning, resource resilience, and adjustment to the region's context, local stakeholder and community engagement, public policy implementation, monitoring and evaluation, policy refinement and adjustment. This chart clearly illustrates effective public policy implementation, from planning and prepare resource to engage stakeholder and conduct ongoing monitoring and evaluation. A stake is crucial for ensuring the policy is executed well and achieve its intended goals. After an unstable period, the following illustration a structured approach to restoring stability to public policy implementation. The structured approach is reflected in government programs that replace planning, resource allocation, and community involvement in the real world. Examples include the family programs, non-cash food assistance, the Smart Indonesian programs, the National Healthy Instructions programs, the National KEEP programs, and many others. Before I finish, let me summarize effective implementation of public policy requires more than just good design. It also requires clear objective, adequate resource, active stakeholder engagement, and continued monitoring. Policy that are aligned with local needs and supported by many communities are more likely to success and create real impact. Thank you for your attention and keen listening.